YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So you'll have to excuse the complete mess that the studio's in, but I've been building this thing. So we get loads of different servos, different claims of torque and at what voltage. So I thought I would put together this creation. So we've got a digital torque meter, and this has got built-in averaging, so you can take 10 different readings and then it'll average it out over a lot. I've built this sort of metal contraption which holds the servo directly in place, doesn't let it move. We've got a metal servo hub fastened to the actual torque meter itself, so there's no servo saver involved, no play or anything. We've got an amp meter and voltage meter, so we can see what power's being fed to the actual servo tester that we use to move the servo. The servo tester itself has also got a voltmeter built in, and we can run this directly off of a 3S LiPo, so we can test on 5 volt, 6 volt, 7.4, 8.4, and we're running a Hobbywing UBC to drop the voltage to the actual servo itself. So this will be a very comparable scenario to how you would actually have this set up in an RC car. So the power that we're getting from this would be the power, the power we're feeding with this, and the torque we're getting from it. You would be able to replicate this by either setting the BC on your vehicle's ESC to 8.4 volt, or 6 volt, 7.4, or you could buy, if you've got a non-adjustable BEC on the RC you're using, you could buy one of these UBCs, fit it to your RC, feed it directly from your battery, and you're getting the exact same voltage to your eye-powered servo, and it's not drawing it all through your radio gear. But hopefully what I'm aiming to do with this is be able to get actual torque figures of what you will see when you fit it in your RC. Now what I'll do, I'll put a few pictures of, or I'll put a picture, probably stick it up here or here somewhere, so you can get a good top-down view of exactly how we've got this set up. Now this servo tester has different positions, so you've got a button that you can instantly flick between whatever's set as 0 and the set position. So rather than us having to move the dial and then you've got have you moved the dial as far for each servo, we can set up a known position and then just hit the button and it'll tell the servo to go back to its 0. So every single on and off of the servo is telling it to go to exactly the same place, and it'll tell every servo to do that exact same movement. So trying to eliminate as many variables as possible on this, and to check the torque we've literally just got to press that button and then the torque meter will read off exactly what torque that servo is outputting, and I can also switch instantly between kilograms, feet, pound per inch, or newton meters. So we've got a perfectly calibrated way of checking each servo repeatedly, exactly the same for each one. So it's going to be a bit interesting, this, and this new Demon servo is going to be one of the first ones we're trying. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know I've started using these instead of Savox. And this weekend I went out with the XT8E22 racing, and I must admit the Demon servo that we've got in that, I think it's the DBS 584V, that servo is an absolute monster. It really is fantastic. The speed, the power, and it's not let me down all weekend, and it's had some abuse. So hopefully, if you're interested in knowing how close to spec these servos actually are, and plenty of others we've got, we will be testing them all. And this is just a quick overview look, and just to let you know what we've got coming. So, if you're interested or you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share to friends and family who you think may be interested. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when as new videos get uploaded. And I'll catch you guys again in the next one.